Now, we're going to talk about why UX designers need to keep different platforms top of mind as they build user experiences. A platform is the medium that users experience your product on, such as desktop, mobile web, mobile apps, tablets, wearables, TVs, smart displays, and more. It's important to design with multiple platforms in mind because users want a product to look and feel similar no matter what platform they're using. In the past, UX designers could have focused on creating a website only for a desktop computer. But today, users might look at that same website on multiple platforms, like their mobile phone, smartwatch, and TV. UX designers now have to plan for a nearly infinite number of different devices and screen sizes. Even though UX designers need to think across platforms, it's important to focus on one platform first when you build a new product. The platform you select should be the one that best meets your end user's needs. Later, you can design for additional platforms. In addition to having a consistent user experience across platforms, it's also important to have a consistent brand identity. In this case, the brand identity refers to the visual appearance and voice of a company. For example, Google search should look and feel the same on your desktop computer and mobile phone. It's important to keep in mind that some functionalities only exist within certain platforms. Think about a voice assistant, which allows you to ask questions or control your phone with your voice. Pretty clever, right? At first, only mobile phones had voice assistants. So if the product you were designing required the use of a voice assistant, the only platform it would have worked on was a mobile phone. But fast forward to the present, and voice assistants are integrated into many other platforms, like desktop computers, TVs, and even refrigerators. Today, there are more platforms than ever, which gives us even more opportunities to design features for our users. It's definitely an exciting time to become a UX designer. Next up, we'll dive deeper into designing for web, mobile apps, and mobile web.